Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing foundations and taking the first actions now. You should eat adequate protein and iron. These build the hair shaft, so prioritize them today. Once done, perform a 5-minute scalp massage with fingertips to increase blood flow and nutrient delivery. Make sure to stop tight hairstyles and reduce heat tools immediately. This prevents breakage that masks growth. You'll also switch to a satin pillowcase to cut friction overnight and retain length. You now move into detailed, repeatable steps that accelerate results. Apply topical treatments like minoxidil or a nourishing oil to the scalp as directed. This directly stimulates follicles. Always do a patch test first. Once comfortable, schedule trims every 8 to 12 weeks to remove split ends so hair can grow longer without breaking. Make sure to improve sleep and reduce stress because cortisol impairs the growth cycle. Adopt a consistent bedtime and you finish by locking in maintenance and knowing what to do if progress stalls. Keep monthly photos and scalp checks so you notice small gains and adjust routines. Once you detect persistent thinning or slowed growth, order blood tests, TSH, ferritin, vitamin D, to rule out underlying causes and consult a clinician. If a product irritates or causes shedding, stop it and pause for 2 weeks, then reintroduce one item at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.